Oh, son of a... All right, welcome back to another video. What we're gonna do today here, got something in from TST Industries. Show you guys here real quick what I got in. Should be relatively simple according to some of the videos that I've seen for this installation, but we are going to do the brake modulator. There's that. There's the other connections for it right there. And that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna move you over to the bike and we're gonna get kick started. All right, I got you guys moved. Now, gotta remove the seat. You think that's easy enough. There it is, she's gone. Put it to the side. And basically, I got a lot of stuff in here already. Basically, it's this one right here. I am actually going to unscrew that. Gives me a little bit better access to that plate there. Move that plate out of the way. Get some tools here real quick. Should be good. What is that? Probably a 4. Let's see if my guess is correct. Indeed, it is a 4. Now I watched their video on this, and it's very easy to get done. I'm taking extra steps in the video. I believe his name is Brett from TST. He's their main dude. If you watch any of their install videos, he's their main guy that does all the installs. I don't know him. I know that there's guys in Florida who do know him, but I don't know him. So I don't know who he is to the company. I don't know if he's an owner or their master mechanic guy, but nonetheless, that wire right there got out of the way. This one right here, if you guys could see, hopefully you guys could see, it is bolted to the frame. So I'm going to need a flathead screwdriver to get that out. Get enough pressure on this locking mechanism. I'm gonna use this 4 here, see if I can actually get it to work. See if I can get it disengaged enough. Let's get a flathead. We're gonna go ahead and aim for the flathead here. See if that helps out any. Right. It's definitely gotten dirtier in here. So I am engaging it, but I think because the way that it's sitting, it's hard to get it out. I wonder if there's a way that I can there's a way that I can actually unbolt this or detach this from the frame without breaking it. Hopefully I'm not breaking something here. If I do, y'all can learn from my mistake. I know there's a way to release it, but I'm just not sure how. Again, I don't want to break it, so I don't want to keep tugging on that wire. So let's go. Let's see if we can figure out a way to get that sucker to come loose. Without breaking something. There it goes. I feel it getting loose. We'll just do it like that. We'll pull from there. There it is. There's that. Fairly simple. Fairly simple. All right, now we'll take this piece. Oh, son of a... Bruh. That is so trash. All right, let's try that again. All right, let's give that another shot. All right, so we'll take this piece. There's the actual modulator itself, which would go right here. So this end will go in like this, and this end will go to this part like that, like so. I said like so. I'm not going to put it in just yet, but it will go just like that and like that. See that? And then this part will go in down here somehow. I'm going to try to get this angle right, just like that. Move you guys here for a second. So as you can see, it would go like that. That piece will go here. And then this piece would go here, like this, to the modulator itself. And then this piece will go right in here. That connects actually to the brakes itself. So that's what it's going to look like eventually. So change up the angle a little bit here so you guys can see what's going on here. Hopefully it'll stay. There it goes. All right, so then this snaps into this like so. This portion right here like so, and then this portion down here, where you can see, just like that. And we're going to test, make sure all the electronics still work correctly. Get the key. Yep. See, it works. All right, and you can see, I'll make just it here for you guys. As you can see, it works. It's supposed to. And now, that's pretty much it. And now we do some micro adjustments to. Now we will do just some actual adjustments to the modulator itself here, as you can see, there's got 2 screws here. I imagine these are pretty soft little screws. And then there's actual adjustments inside here in regards to the pulse, in regards to how fast it is, how slow it is, how long it is, and stuff of that nature, that it has here. And at that point, basically, you just set to whatever you like it to be. So I'm just going to do this really quick off camera, take these screws out, do some quick adjustments to see what I like, and then I'll be right back. All right, we are back, all done. Everything's plugged nice and neat here. See here, it's all nice and neat and plugged. The modulator is tucked over here. I was going to, if you can see, I was going to put it right in here, but if you notice that screw right there, see that screw? That is actually to my license plate, and I did not want the modulator sitting there blocking it, because I know that eventually I'm going to probably have to change that out, because you guys already know I got pulled over for that. So everything works out great. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll set the camera up back here so you guys can kind of see what it actually is going to look like. There's the one that I have it set on. I think that it works great. I think that it looks awesome. Let's see if I can get a better look at it for you guys. Let's get a better look at it here. Adjust the camera, sorry. Adjust the camera, and boom. I think that's a great pulse. I think it lets the people behind me know what's going on. But yeah, that's it. Very, very easy modification to do if that's your cup of tea, if that's what you want to do with your brakes. But it's like I said, it's very easy, simple, straightforward. All the plug-and-play stuff that they have. That's why I highly recommend their plug-and-play stuff, because it makes installation like this very easy for an individual like myself who is not very good at wiring, and I don't want to splice wires, and I don't want to splice on this brand new bike. But that's it. All right, again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, and then we will see you guys here on the next one.